In this video, I'll show you how to write your explanation sentences. So in order to write your explanation sentence, you need to explain the textual evidence in your own words. So you're telling how does that evidence prove your topic sentence. So you're answering the questions, why is this quote significant, which means important, and how does the evidence support my topic sentence? How is it proving what I said in my topic sentence? So you're not going to answer the question by just saying what the quote says. So you're not going to say, in other words, the quote is just saying this. Instead, you need to use the word because to help you explain the evidence even further. So an example would be using this quote shows or this quote explains how, and then whatever your topic sentence was, and then you say because, and then you tell how it supports it. How does it show it? How does it explain it? Let's take a look at our examples from our last video where we talked about creating our evidence sentences, and that way you can see how this works. So the topic sentence was, the author of Little Red Riding Hood uses the main character to demonstrate the dangers of being too trusting. For example, when Red Riding Hood first goes into the woods, she meets the wolf, and because she did not know what a wicked creature he was, she was not at all afraid of him. So I've got my evidence sentence that's proving the topic sentence, but now I need to explain how does this evidence sentence prove the topic sentence. So why is this sentence important and how does it support the topic? So to do this, I'm going to use one of these sentence starters. So we could use either this evidence suggests, and then we say what it suggests, and then we have to add because and then tell why, or this lets the reader know because, this demonstrates, whatever it is, because, this evidence illustrates because, or this is important because. Remember that using the word because will help you explain the evidence even further. So if I use the sentence starter, this demonstrates because, I could write my sentence like this. This demonstrates how being too trusting is dangerous because Red Riding Hood's lack of fear causes her to trust someone wicked who could do her harm. So now I've got an explanation of how this evidence sentence proves this topic sentence. So go ahead and use your evidence sentences and write your explanation for your evidence sentences in your organizers.